Little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say clothes, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you whip. When it go fast as a horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street, know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth, hope you hoes don't ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills, I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me, they baby father wanna kill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Bet you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand above my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go, this shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold, tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll with no rolls, I just came up in no rave. I need to fill up the tank, no I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of they niggas is fake. I go to dinner and steak, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms, the life of the place. Hard to let these bitches know, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more, another check for more than that. Little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't.
can let this moment slip away, 'cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. I guess sit back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gon' do? 'Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look it right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. Jeans tight, high heels, this is how you make me feel. Lips gloss, teeth white, apple bottoms, let me bite. Spend the night, catch a flight. We can do what you like. Feeling right, you smelling good. Let's get this understood. Is there something you're not telling me? Like you're the daughter of Frankie Beverly. It's the way you move, the way you move. I'm a fan of your good secret. She doing freaky stuff. Shouting, got me geeked up. Like they both, I got played on. Let me show you street love.
Foreigner, 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 foreigner.
My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull her drop top with a eater. Two-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull her drop top with a eater. Two-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds. I woke up rich, spin a grip on the necklace. I put the plug on three-way. Maserati, go speed race. Pop a baby on a bitch face. More ice flexing this way. We put the world away. Don't give a fuck 'cause I'm paid. More act in a lemonade. Pharmacy knowing my name. I bet that because she bougie. She shot my dick in a movie. Trap jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little freak. My bitch too foreign in the visa.
Foreigner,
I don't need her. Pull her drop top with a eater.
foreigner,
Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck on my AP.
foreigner,
New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the
bitch a foreigner, and she love to fuck. She suck it up, make her fall in love. Put that on her tongue, perky on her tongue. She do them walks for us, make her one of us. They guess I'm smoking, blowing, face on my neck, snowing. I'm dark skin, glowing, on the perky I'm rolling. LA, parking, I'm screaming, I'm barking. They like Poppy, why you starting? Pop a perk, go retarded. They know I'm wild and I need that respect. 700 grams, ice and baguettes. Pop smoke, niggas know I'm next. Black keep on shooting until it's the left. I'm 8-20, I throw up the set. 20 years old, but I move like a vet. You talk like your mom, you better invest in the best. Nigga, 'cause you could get left. You bitch to the foreign, huh? I fuck that pastor.
Slide on a pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no style, see you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to your bitch like a spray tan? Mister, what kind of car you in the city, love my name, nigga, I ain't gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for ISEE hair, and I will say it's been a cool minute, a very cool minute since I've worked with ISEE hair. But you guys have to know this, ISEE hair is hands down one of my favorite hair companies to work with. I have loved ISEE hair from the very first time that I've ever worked with them. They have held on to the integrity of their company, and I really like to see their growth and the amount of like effort and the amount of love that they put into their brand and the quality of their products, down to the items that you get in the package. Like, the amount of free gifts that they gave me in this like package was amazing. I love absolutely everything. And they even had like some really bomb eyelashes, like a 6-pack bonnet. But I love the fact that they have literally put everything you can possibly need into the packaging. So when you receive your unit, you don't have to worry about going to the beauty supply store and buying all these extra things, because they have it for you. And it shows in the quality of the hair as well. It's not just all the extra bells and whistles. The actual quality of their hair is always good. I love getting curly hair units from ISEE hair. Like, they always send me fire units. Like, some of my favorite curly units that I've ever reviewed on my channel have all been from ISEE hair. They are the GOAT when it comes to curly units, and this unit is no different. So today I am reviewing this 13x4 like loose deep wave unit, and I really enjoy this texture because it's like that natural wave, and I love a natural wave. Like, I'm definitely a natural wave girl, a deep wave girl. Like, I love that versus like the really tight jerry curly hair. Like, this is way better than that, and it's also low maintenance. You don't have to worry about putting so much maintenance into this hair. You don't have to worry about like all that extra tangling and shedding that comes with the tangling. You don't have to worry about something like that with this unit, because the hair is a wave. It's less likely to tangle up on you. The wave pattern in this hair is so beautiful, natural, and just not doing too much, and I love that about this unit. That's what we're giving, but nonetheless, you know, she's still giving melted, even like all up in here, you know what I mean? Like, it's melted. And today I wanted to kind of play on like the curly baby hair that I've been seeing like Ari do. I really like the little curly little baby hair that she's been doing like in the center. She's been doing that a lot lately, and I really like that look. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to kind of like play around with my baby hair and then wear this gorgeous like wavy unit. And this is like with no product on the hair, you guys. The only thing that I did was I put like some foaming mousse like on this part of my hair, like the roots. But other than that, I didn't put anything on this part of the hair, you guys. It's just a natural. I did bleach the knots to this unit, but I did not pluck this unit, you guys. This unit came pre-plucked already. I did not put a pair of tweezers to this unit, okay? I washed the hair, I bleached the knots, that was it. I let the hair air dry and I tinted my lace. Voila, here we are. But as far as like customizing my hairline, as far as like plucking it, I didn't have to do any of that because this unit already came pre-plucked, ready to go. So when you receive this unit, you literally just need to like bleach the knots and that's it. Because I feel like if you start trying to pluck what they've plucked, then you'll over pluck your unit and then it'll be given like sparse, and we don't want that, okay? But yeah, this unit, you guys, I want to say this is probably about like a 22 to 24 inch unit. This is where it's hitting on me. in the front. I did show you guys earlier like a 360 of the unit, but I like the length of this unit. It's not too long and it's not too short. This is all of the hair up front, by the way, and I really like the density to this unit. It's not too thick, okay, because I reviewed a unit not too long ago, and baby, that was giving Coming to America. It was just so much hair, and I'm just like, girl, I like hair, but I don't like all that hair, baby. I don't want no 250% density unit. You can keep it. I don't care what the texture is. I hate when companies send me really just units that's just doing too much. Like, just send me something simple. Like, this right here is my type of speed, and I love it because this is definitely like beach hair. Like, this is like the perfect beach hair, you guys. Like, literally the perfect beach hair. The only thing I will say is if you order this unit, don't bleach the actual hair. Like, don't try to like lighten this hair and change the color and try to do all of that, because I feel like if you bleach this hair and you try to color this hair, I feel like you will mess up the integrity of the wave pattern, and it's gonna start giving more so straight than wavy. You know, because the thing about it is anytime that you process hair, it loosens up the curl pattern. So you'll notice sometimes like you'll have a Jerry curly unit and you'll color the hair, and when you put that bleach on it, like it loosens up that wave pattern. This wave pattern is already loose. So I feel like if you are to color this hair or try to do anything with like bleaching and processing the hair further, you're gonna end up losing the wave pattern in your hair. You know what I mean? But you can get a unit that's a little bit curlier, like, or something that has like a deeper wave, then you can color that and then you'll have like more of a looser wave. But when you have hair that's this loose, you don't want to do all that. So let's come up a little bit closer, shall we? So I can show you guys like a really up close look at this unit, because I really like the way this unit melted. It's giving natural. It's just giving fire. It's just like, it's bomb. Like, check her out. And the good thing about like a look like this is that you can literally flip it either way you want. You can have it on this side. You know, you don't have to have it on that side. It's flippable. Now let me show you guys the parting space in here, because we do have like this flip over vibe going on. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick how far the unit goes back. But yeah, I can't get like a really straight part, but you guys see the vibes. That's where this goes. So you can wear it down the center if you wanted to as well. It's not really, you know, I wear my hair down the center all the time, so that's why today I wanted to do like a flip over, because y'all know me, I'm good for a middle part, girl. I will quickly put my hair in the middle part, no problem. But yeah, this is what it looks like if you wear it down the center. Like, she is so cute. Like, I really love this texture. Like, this is probably one of my favorite current like curly units. Like, I love like this like loose deep wave, whatever wave this is, I am in love with it, and it's just like perfect for the summer, and it's lightweight. You know what I mean? Like, one thing I like about this kind of hair versus other curly hairs is like it's light. It's not so heavy. It's not like something that you feel like you just want to get up off of you, because a lot of times when I have like curly hair, even when it's on my back like this and it's super curly and thick, like I be wanting to like tie it up, put it up in a little situation like this, okay, and call it a day. But this kind of hair right here, like, it's so light and airy, but still like it doesn't give thin. It doesn't give sparse, you know what I mean? It's still thick enough. It's still full enough. It's just everything. I love this unit, y'all. That's all I gotta say, okay? If you want to get this exact same unit, make sure you check out that description box down below for a link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I will get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, ISEE Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful Mongolian hair, okay, baby? And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there for showing me so much love and support. I genuinely have to like do something for y'all. I have to do something special for y'all, because the way y'all been like showing out, showing love, being supportive, like no matter what direction I go in, like you guys are always supportive. Even if I take a break, y'all still support me, whether I'm uploading vlogs or not. Y'all still support me, even though I know y'all ready for me to upload a vlog. But I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me, for showing me love, for just like, you know, shopping with me when you guys shop with me, for, you know, honoring my opinion and coming to me and, you know, and trusting my opinion, you know, because there's a lot of girls out here that do hair reviews, but there's something about me that makes you want to watch me. So I appreciate that. And I just want to thank all of you beautiful people out there, and I will see all of you in my next one. Bye.